I'm a pretty big fan of Polly Pockets. I really enjoy them. I have a bunch of them from when I was a kid, and I often go back to them when I'm having some anxiety or something. I like to pull them out and play with them and just kind of, let my mind focus elsewhere for a little bit. And so today I wanted to, I don't know, it's kind of a review, but I really just wanted to pull this Polly Pocket out and play with it. It's one of the ones that I have some of the fondest memories with as a kid, and I thought it would be fun to actually play with it as an adult today. This is the Polly Pocket Splash and Slide Waterpark. It was made in 1995. It is a shell compact, measuring 4.5 inches by 4 inches by 1.5 inches. It is a dark teal color with a gold emblem. Its accessories include 4 dolls. I keep them in a separate container because this Polly Pocket actually has a big old hole when it's closed. Polly, our main girl. And then we have Kim. Then we have Ben. And we have Tilly. We'll open it up, and when you open it, you want to make sure that there's an extra click, just like that. Alright, so there she is, and most of our water actions happen over here, and you can see there are numbers on the floor, and this guy turns, and then when he's lined up with a number, we can push down and that action will occur. If we have it on number 1, the first action would be that it squirts water into the shower. The second one, it causes the water to move forward in the track. The third one is the whirlpool, and the fourth one causes the water to move backwards in the lazy river, as I like to refer to it. Number 1, we'll get Polly ready, because you should shower off before you get in the pool. And let's see, we'll have the babies. One can be in that little kiddie pool, and one can just be laying out. Now for the best part. And there goes Kim. Woo! Oh, number 1. There we go, and it's getting there. It's not perfect. And she's getting there. She's getting there, people. Oh no, she's not. She's stuck. Gonna enjoy some bubbles. It's just as much fun as I remember. Alright. Here we go, Ben. Okay, number 4. Kid moves a lot faster around this than Polly did. Can he make it over the hump? He cannot. But he's still going. So that's kind of fun. Enjoy this time lapse of him going back the other direction. Yay! I really do like the water slide portion. It's cool, like, to see the mechanics of it. Like, it's clearly pulling water from the lazy river up into a pump to push it back down. Like, it's recycling it through with these little the little choice thing over here. The shower is just doing the same thing, basically sucking up the water into a pump and then spitting it back out. This was actually really fun. I'm not going to keep it much longer than this. I'm going to pack it back up here, and then I'm going to let it sit out and open in my living room where there's a fan that's constantly going so that it can air out over the next 24 to 48 hours. And I didn't mention before, but this little chair has an adjustable top and the diving board actually does flick. Now I'm just going to pour everything back in. And I will keep using the pumps over the next, day or so too, just to make sure that it's excreting some water out of there. For now, she's just gonna get a new towel and she's gonna go sit out on the counter and just dry out. But that's that, and I hope you enjoyed just playing with the 1995 Polly Pocket Splash and Slide Waterpark. So really that's it for this review and playtime. I'm going to go set it out and let it dry and get these guys back into their little case. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this and you learned something new, please click the like button. Or leave me a comment down below on what your favorite vintage Polly Pocket is. If I have it, maybe I'll review that one next, because I am going to be doing one vintage Polly Pocket showcase every single week. And I have a couple ideas for some new series I want to add to my channel as well. So I would love it if you would subscribe and follow me along on that. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, be safe, and I'll see you on the next one.